Friday night is the always popular casino night. A lot of fun, a lot of games, prizes. Anything you want to share about your time at casino night? Have you been a high roller, big winner?
I have not. I'm normally there. It's been a staple of
Yeah.
the expo for a long, long time. Um, you know, I've always been under the philosophy of I didn't want to win because that would look bad. If the boss won, I kind of feel like the prizes and all that really are for the drivers and owner operators.
Of
So
course.
yeah,
Of
so
course.
I prefer to hand out some drink tickets and watch the fun go on and just converse and network with people
Yep.
and things like that. But it's definitely a good time. It's nice to be able to watch the drivers and owner operators just get to relax a little bit,
Yeah.
enjoy together and network and have some fun and that outside of a truck stop or a truck stop parking lot and that,
Yeah.
they don't get to gather or join together at a lot of places, let alone gather and join and then, like you said, network and educate and have
Sure.
fun.